How to add reservations in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view and add the reservation. First of all, go to the website name sephora.com. Now make sure you are logged in too. Here on the bottom, there's a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see a section called reservations. Simply tap on reservation. Now this will take you to a very different page. Here you'll be able to direct reserve different places and different stores too. So here you'll be able to view different products and you'll be able to know what's coming up in near future too. So after doing that, you'll be able to track down and later even book different products and different timings of the products. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.